Hey, today we're gonna open up Slash and Slash and Slash and compare them to Slash and Slash and Slash and Slash and Slash. I'm gonna start with this big guy. I've wanted him forever. He came out at around the same time as this Super 7, but I saw him at the local comic book shop and it was my birthday, so I bought him instead of this one because he wasn't there. But you know, 2 years later they go on sale. That artwork, that's awesome. So this guy's based on the comic book, the Archie comics, but it looks like Eastman drew it. Oh, that's a dope background. I really like that. Toxic Waste, and it's got the halftone, I think it's called halftone, where it has all the dots in different tones. Recently I've been cutting these straps before I start filming the video, but I forgot because I've had this guy for a few weeks and I was waiting for this other Slash and Slash to arrive, so I'm going to cut them quick now. Okay, we got one hand, that's like a holding a gun hand or like a monster trying to grab you hand. Here's Slash. Yeah, this is the best Slash. When they came out a couple years ago, there was a lot of debate which one was better, this one or the Super 7 one. It's this one for sure. I mean, I knew it at the time, but this one was there because in Canada, it's not as easy to get these guys. Look at that shell. That's awesome. Look at the detail on his belt. Some more hands. It's like a holding stuff hand. So he's got two of each of these hands and he's got two fist hands on him, but we don't. These are awesome. That's what I wanted to say, I think. Super dope. I'm so happy I finally got this guy and finally got to open him. Look at that head. He only came with one head. Now the Funko Pop Slash and Slash. So two of the slashes from the title. No cool background there. Also, nothing that I have to cut to get them out. So this Funko Pop Slash is based on the toy Slash from the 87 cartoon, but the actual Slash in the cartoon looked like this. And Neca has another version of this one that I just opened up, but with these colors. And I think they just re-released the same one, so him but with these colors and maybe a different belt, or that could be a new one. He comes with this little pre-mutated Slash, so baby Slash. I have this one of the 2012 cartoon, and in that he was Spike first, so he was Raph's pet turtle, and then he got transformed into Slash. Well, then he changed his name to Slash because he became like a intergalactic bounty hunter after. But in the cartoon, the 87 cartoon, I think this guy was always alien, or maybe this one he is an alien. So in the cartoon, if he was always an alien, why is there a pre-mutated Slash? Or he was mutated by the Utroms or Krang, but that's in the comic book. In the 87 cartoon, the only Krang you see is Krang, and they're never referred to as Utroms. That's from the 2003 series, which is based on the original Mirage comic books. There's so many versions, it's hard to keep track of everything, but all of these Slashes are awesome. Yeah, this Funko, he looks dope too. Look at his maniacal face, he looks crazier than these ones, but it's based on that. And Super 7 is just a 7-inch version of this original toy, plus articulation. I mean, comparatively, super articulation, because it's actually fully articulated. Yeah, but the Funko Pops, they're not articulated at all, but his big head. Yeah, that guy looks dope. Kinda looks like when my sister was like 2 and she'd like be angry or she'd want something and she was about to attack you, she would make a face like that. That was a long time ago, but I'm old. But yeah, I really love this Neca one I just got, and got something new coming next week, probably a custom. Still got a bunch of reviews to do, but until then, thanks for watching, and remember, always keep your head up. Peace.